Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we'll prepare powerful anti-aging masks with grapeseed oil, a natural elixir that helps erase wrinkles, even at 70. Why grapeseed oil? It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins E and C, and essential fatty acids. Grapeseed oil smooths fine lines, restores elasticity, and deeply nourishes dry, mature skin. First recipe: deep nourishment and skin massage. Use pure grapeseed oil. Warm a few drops between your fingers and apply gently to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Massage with soft circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on overnight or rinse after 30 minutes. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Second recipe: gentle exfoliation and glow. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix until smooth. Benefits: this mask gently removes dead cells, brightens the complexion, and boosts circulation. How to use: apply to damp, clean skin, face, neck, chest, and hands. Massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Finish with a light moisturizer. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Friends, write in the comments and tell us where you're watching from. Third recipe: brightening and balancing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Benefits: this recipe tones the skin, minimizes pores, and helps even out skin tone. How to use: apply a thin layer to clean skin with a cotton pad or fingertips. Avoid the eye area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water and pat dry. Use 1 to 2 times a week. If you liked this recipe, like the video, leave a comment, and share it with a friend. Fourth recipe: hydration and soothing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1/2 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 'Mix until creamy. Benefits: aloe calms and hydrates, while grapeseed oil nourishes and protects the skin. How to use: apply generously to face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply a calming moisturizer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More natural anti-aging secrets are coming. Fifth recipe: night cream for mature skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Mix into a smooth cream. Benefits: deeply nourishes, softens the skin, and improves elasticity. How to use: apply a small amount to clean face, neck, and chest. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Sixth recipe: detox and radiance boost. Ingredients: 1 crushed tablet of spirulina, 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Mix well. Benefits: spirulina detoxifies the skin, improves tone, and enhances elasticity. How to use: apply to clean skin, face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.